So as we all know that Hamster Kombat has already tell every single one of us what we are getting from their airdrop, and it is better to know how you can actually sell your HMSTR, which is your Hamster Kombat token, straight on your Bybit account. So if you use Bybit, you can sell it, but don't worry, I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can do the same on Binance and on Telegram, of course. Okay, and on Telegram wallet. Okay, so if you are watching this video right now and you are not using Bybit, and maybe you want to skip this video, just make sure you subscribe, because the video on how you can actually sell it on your Binance is also going to be coming soon, or on your wallet, which is your Telegram wallet. It's also going to be coming soon right here also. So if you want to sell your HMSTR token on Bybit, it's as easy as ABCD. So let me just refresh my Bybit now. I think network is a little bad. Okay, so what you need to do is to come right here under your asset, and then once you come to your assets on, okay, this is actually my asset, it will appear under your unified trade, which is your spot trading. Then you have to click on it. So once you click on it under your unified trade, you can see the next thing you have to do, it's as simple as that, is to select the HMSTR token, which is the Hamster Kombat token. So we are using Kati as an example. You all know, all of us do get Tutu Kati, which is actually a bit surprising to me. But at least Kati should at least make this airdrop. They should at least give us 25, 50 Kati. But it is what it is. This is just an airdrop, which I don't expect every single one to actually become a millionaire from just a simple airdrop. Okay, so what happens right here is that if you come on right here, let's say we want to use Kati as an example on how you can swap your HMSTR token. Okay, so just make sure you stick around with me to the end of this video, and I'm actually going to break in every single down for you right now. So first of all, you have to click on the Kati logo. So once you click on the Kati logo, so that, let's say you are clicking on the HMSTR token right here, and once you click on it, it will instantly load up for you. Okay, and once it load up, you can see the amount of HMSTR that you actually get on it. So what you need to do is for you to convert. Okay, it's for you to convert. But if you cannot convert, this is what you have to do. You have to go straight to your spot trading. So we are coming back to our spot trading right here. Okay, now this is just for you to see the amount of the HMSTR that you actually have right here. Now come on the home section, and then once you come on the home section, you have to search for it right here. You have to search for HMSTR. Okay, I think HMSTR, definitely it will be the first to appear. HMSTR, which is the Hamster Kombat token, okay, slash USDT. So what I'm saying right here is HMSTR USDT perpetual, and this one already has price already. So Hamster Kombat is not supposed to price like that. Okay, I think it's still under the what's it call it right here. So you have to search for Kati, as we are using Kati as examples. Kati, so just search for Kati, and you see Kati slash USDT. You also see HMSTR slash USDT. If you are swapping your HMSTR, then click on it. So once you click on it, instantly it will load up. So what you have to do is for you to sell. Okay, it's for you to sell. So you are not buying, just click on sell right up here. Once you click on sell, so you want to sell the amount of the HMSTR token that you have straight into USDT. Then you transfer, then you withdraw the USDT to your funding account. Then from your funding account, you can easily sell it straight to Naira or any other currency you are using in your own specific country. So what you need to do right here is for you to put in the quantity of HMSTR. So let's say the quantity of HMSTR is actually 1000 HMSTR, but for me this is actually 2 Kati, so I can just put in 1000 HMSTR. It's all an example. And if you actually see the price that it will be right here, they click on sell Kati. So as at that time, you will see click on sell HMSTR, which will appear right here, and it will convert into USDT inside of your unified trading account. Okay, that's only your spot wallet. Okay, and once this actually convert, you have to come back to your asset. You have to come back to your asset and click on and it will appear, and click on unified. Once you click on unified, as we click on it before, you just have to click on USDT. You just have to click on USDT. We already convert straight to USDT, right? So once you click on USDT, you just have to wait for it to load a little bit, and let's see what will happen soon. So once you click on it, you have to transfer straight to your funding account. Okay, you have to transfer to your funding account. Okay, so what you have to do right now, we're actually on our unified account right now, so we have to transfer to our trading account. Okay, so what you have to do is for you to also click on transfer, and once you click on transfer, they say unified trading and funding account. That means I'm transferring from my unified trading account straight to my funding account, and all I need to do is to click on the amount of USDT it has been converted into USDT, and then click on confirm. So let's say I click on max and I click on confirm, boom, and it will easily confirm, which I can now go on. Now let us go to the P2P section. So I don't think I really need to be showing you anything about the P2P. Then it will go to your trading account. So it will go to your normal account, to your funding account, which you can now sell it straight to Naira. So if you actually want to learn how you can actually sell USDT on Bybit, don't worry, a video will be down there in the video description for you that you can easily go and watch. So I don't need to take this video very long. I just want every single thing to be short right here. So that's how you can sell your HMSTR token. So like I mentioned, always be patient. I drop a video on how you can sell this USDT on your Bybit, okay, and you will receive the money straight in your bank account. That's another full tutorial, separate. So the video is in the video description also. So don't rush anything as of for now. So I'm also going to be making video on how you can do the same thing on Binance and on your Telegram wallet. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also share with your friends and family that are willing to learn something like this also, that maybe just want to share, just want to swap their HMSTR token, and you don't have that much time to keep on explaining for them. You can easily do the same thing with them, and they're just going to tap into this, and of course this will actually make a lot of changes to them also, instead of you still keep on going and explaining. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you want to see video about airdrop or making money online, make sure you do it on the subscribe button, and of course turn the notification bell icon, so whenever I make video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified instantly. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the very next video. Peace.